friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Blanky Blankz inverted from Poppy Playtime chapter 5. And don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started further over to the left. And we're going to draw in a straight line coming across to the right. We're going to drop down, lining that up at the exact same height. And we'll just replicate that, bringing that all the way over, ending that at the exact same width. Now from here, let's close that off. So we're going to curve this around and in on the left. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right, blending that together. Let's flatten this out as we come across now. So we're going to draw in a straight line, separating this. In the middle, let's draw in a straight line coming up. We're going to continue this as we come across on the left. Just leaving an even amount of space in between each one as we move all the way over to the side. We'll replicate this on the right hand side as well. Let's move through to the top now. So on the left hand side, we're going to draw in a nice big half circle on the top, curving this all the way around and down on the right. And then we'll do the exact same thing as we pull through underneath, curving this around, bringing that through on the side. Let's draw on the eyes now. So we're going to draw in two diagonal lines, joining at a point right in the middle. And we'll do the exact same thing, mirroring that on the opposite side. Now from here, we're going to drag this diagonal line across on both sides. And then we'll bring this diagonal line in to the middle. I'm just going to end that at the same width there. Now from here, coming underneath from the center, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out on both sides. And then again, we'll just draw this diagonal line coming in to the center. Now from that point, we're just going to drag this back up to the middle of our eye. We'll replicate that on the opposite side as well to finish that one off. And now let's draw on the zipper on the opposite side here on the right. So we're going to draw in two straight lines coming out. And then we're just going to draw in a circle directly in the center. Now from here, let's draw a diagonal line coming out on the top and bottom, ending that at the exact same width. And then we're going to flatten this out, pulling this in to the middle. Let's bring these diagonal lines up to the top, ending that at the same width. And then we'll just draw another diagonal line coming in towards the middle. Let's draw on the legs. So stepping over from the center, coming in, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming down, ending that at the same height. We'll step across, bringing that back through to the bottom there. Let's close this off underneath with a curved line. And now let's draw on the arms. So on the top, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the bottom, ending that at the same width. Now from here, let's close that off with a curved line on the top. Let's draw on the thumb. So we're going to round this out, curving that in. And then now for the hand, we're just going to arch this all the way around and down. And that is it. That's how you draw Blanky Blankz from Wrongside Outimals. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.